Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you to Ngong Hills all the way from archives. So today we were having a match that was a Gor Mahia and the other team, I'm not sure about it. So you can see the view of archives. It was on a Sunday and it is always quite busy from 11 a.m. So I was from church. So from here we're going to take our bus. I like using Super Metro. Yeah. So we are going to take our walk. So most of us are familiar with where we take our Super Metro buses. And there we are off. We are going to Ngong. That is approximately less than an hour drive, depending on the traffic jam. But since it is on a Sunday, it's going to be very smooth. There is no jam. So the city is always not that crowded on Sundays because most of the businesses are closed down. So what mostly happens on Sundays is content creation, TikTok, all that stuff. So here we are going to pass the you've seen the expressway. That is the expressway that is taking you all the way to Mombasa Road. From far you can see the Nairobi Serena Hotel. Besides there is All Saint Cathedral, that's our church. And now we are leaving town. So we are at Hurlingham. We're taking the So from far you can see Daystar University. So from far, those over there with the yellow and grey building, those towers are called the Wilma Towers. So here we are at the Junction Mall. Here is where we're going to have the bypass that is going to make it easier for cars from town to the stadium, Talanta Stadium, that is being built. That is approximately 66 or 67% complete. And now here we are in Karen. You can see how Karen is always green, the forest. It's a very nice place to come and retire in, maybe in future. Yep. Now that there was a very nice Peugeot. I love Peugeot, by the way, but my dream car, I'll tell you later. Here we are still in Karen. From Karen we are going to Bulbul. From Bulbul, Ngong. And this is Bulbul, the last center before we are in Ngong. And now here we are entering Ngong town. So that was less than 45 minutes drive from Nairobi city to Ngong. So Ngong is in a different county, that is Kajiado County. So from Ngong town you can take a motorbike all the way to the entrance, or you can just walk. I did not record the walking because I could not record what I was on the motorbike. And here we are. We are at the entrance. From far you can zoom there. I think those are the affordable housing, the ones that Ruto are building. And here we are. You can see those turbines. You know, from far you can think that the turbines are tiny, but I'm going to show you how big they are. So most of the people do come here on weekends. They come here to spend their evenings, have picnics, like just to relieve stress from all the work of the week. It's a nice place. I would advise you to come. You can come as a group or as an individual. So here we are having the vendors. You can just buy water, anything that you need, but they don't allow the plastics into the. So there we have the rules and regulations: no littering, dumping, no entering with plastic, no use of fuels, no smoking, all that stuff to conserve the environment or to prevent the forest fires, etc. So as Kenyans we pay 232. It is where we pay, and we are being given a ticket in. And we start our journey from here. but today I decided to take a different route. It's more natural. The trees, the terrain makes it more natural compared to the main road where we just walk on the road. Now this is the real hiking. If you want to feel the real hiking, you can go through the forest as I did here. Hiking is one of the best things that I like doing. It gives me peace of mind. It's somehow therapeutic, when you are having a lot of things in mind. Take your time, come to Ngong Hills. Nature heals in a different way. You never know what comes when you come to nature. You hear the wind, the birds. So we are almost at the top. It's a very nice view from here. You can view the city from far. Yep, that's the city, you see. But my phone didn't have a very nice zooming power, so I didn't quite zoom the city well. Yep, you see, it's a very nice view from here. It gives you peace of mind, Now as I continued walking up, you see, it's very nice, huh? So on weekends we find that there are a lot of people that are coming to the hill. Yeah, from far you can see that these turbines are very tiny, but these things are very big. For your information, these things are very big. So this is always my favorite part, the Ngong Hills, the green grass, the trees. It's always so nice here. It gives you a vibe that sometimes, like, you're not somewhere in Kenya, you see. Look at that view. From here you can see the city. It's a very nice place where you can do your picnic, you see. Wow, so therapeutic, isn't it? So from here you can see the landscape. Look at that. Wow, this is also one of my favorite spots. But look at that, those things are very huge. From here you can see all that, and you can feel how they are, the sounds that they are making from the wind. It's so nice. Today we had a couple of visitors. Wow, look at that. Let me try zooming down there. Wow, this is so amazing. When you view this, it makes you forget about all your problems, It's a very nice view from up here. Look at that. Wow. The landscape. You can see a very big portion of land from here. Look at that. I'd really advise you to come for a hiking here one day. If you have time, you create time for yourself when you see things are not going well for you. So here I am. I continued going up and up and up. It is so amazing. A very nice view from here. The cloud. It seems that when you go up, you can view you can touch the clouds from here, but no. Look at that. The turbines. So we also have zip lining here, which I did not plan to do. We have bike riding, archery. When you have a lot of time and finance, you can come here and do the zip linings. My final destination was at this place. We always have the sugarcane juice. It's always so nice. That is always going for 50 bob or rather 70. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe, comment, and leave a like. See you in the next video. Bye.